Hi, it's Tasha and Pepper from WTI, and this is the MalsiPree Dog Brush.
What I really loved about this brush is how well my dog reacted to it. It doesn't pull so that it hurts her in any way. She was completely relaxed. A lot of people have said to me that short-haired dogs don't shed. But actually, we've found with our dog that she definitely has a seasonal shed. And one way I like to control that is by brushing her. This brush does such a great job because the comb is really fine. And not only is it brushing out the hair, but it's also brushing out any dander. She loves being outside and just playing outside. She picks up a lot of allergens outside that she could be bringing into the house. So a regular brushing really helps control that. I'm so happy to have found this brush.
And that's our point of view.